I'll be reviewing the Xiaomi G Pro 27-inch mini LED gaming monitor. If at any point you're interested in checking out this monitor for yourself and scoring it at an awesome price, don't forget to click the links below the video. You ever wonder what it's like to step into a world of color and clarity so vivid it feels almost unreal? That's exactly what the Xiaomi Mini LED gaming monitor G Pro 27 delivers. With its 27-inch QHD 2K resolution and mini LED backlight technology, this monitor is not just a screen, it's an experience. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or even working, the 11152 independent dimming zones allow for stunning detail and contrast. Imagine every shadow, every highlight, perfectly displayed without any haloing or washout. But where this monitor really shines is in the gaming realm. The ultra-fast 180Hz refresh rate paired with a 1 millisecond response time means you're always a step ahead. Fast-paced action, moving targets, intense competition, it handles it all with ease. And with AMD Freesync support, you'll enjoy seamless gameplay without any of those annoying screen tears or stutters. The VISA Display HDR 1000, along with 99% DCI-P3 color accuracy, ensures that every game or video you enjoy is packed with vibrant colors and deep contrasts, creating a near cinematic experience. And for those long sessions, the low blue light certification is a game changer. Literally, it helps protect your eyes while keeping everything bright and sharp. Now, one potential drawback, the glossy screen surface might cause reflections in well-lit rooms, so be mindful of where you place it. But if you're gaming in a controlled setup or a dimmer environment, this won't be a problem at all. If you want to take your setup to the next level, this monitor is a fantastic upgrade. Check out the links in the description below to get yours at a great price today. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.